Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this sleek low bun hairstyle. This is a very popular hairstyle in the natural hair community. If you don't know what to do at all and you're like looking for something quick and easy to do on your hair, on your natural hair, on your relaxed hair, this is something very easy to do. So first I'm going to be sectioning out my hair. I love to work in sections because it just makes the work easier for me. For this style, I'm also using the Eco Styling Gel. It's a water-based gel and it works so good for my hair. It doesn't slick my hair all the way back, but it does the job and it does a good job. So I would recommend that. After packing the back section of my hair, I'm going to move over to the front, which I already sectioned into two parts because I'm trying to achieve a center part. And basically all you need to do, if you have a very thick hair like me, you just need to work in sections. Trust me, when you work in sections, it's going to make the job very easy. My hair is a type 4C hair and I understand the struggle type 4C girlies go through whenever you have to slick your hair back. So working in sections will just make it very, very easy for you, and trust me, your hair will be sleek in no time. And once you're done with that, you always need a silk scarf or a satin scarf. So this would help lay the hair down. I always leave the silk scarf or the satin scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes it can take longer than that. Basically, most times I leave it on and then go do my makeup and later take it off. So depending on you and how long you want to have this satin scarf in, but just always have a satin scarf because that would help. So here I'm just making something up to attach to the back of my hair because I like having my hair fuller. Since I have a short type 4C hair, I like to wear an extension in to give it a fuller look. So I created this extension. I'm going to put up the hair somewhere on the screen because I don't remember the hair that I used. If you'd like a detailed explanation or video on how I was able to create this extension, drop a comment in the comment section for Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for staying to the end. Please do not forget to like, share and drop a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Please also subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and stay beautiful until next time. Bye.